Okay, I need your help. Hopefully you can hear this. This is a brand new engine. It's only got 3 hours on it. Briggs V Stratton. Commercial series. That's iconic. Dead swinger. Running at half choke or half throttle. No choke. It's been running for probably 5 minutes now. Stumbled right there. He like stumbles for no reason. For what should be no reason. Now when I throttle it down, it's going to do a little popping out of the exhaust, I believe. Let's rev it up. And when I lower back down, it will keep popping some more, I think. That's full throttle. Yeah, so what do you make of it, if anything? So this was a repower. It had a Vanguard in it. I actually had it into the dealer for what I was hoping was a warranty repair, but Briggs said, you know, 3 hours is not enough break-in time, so have to run it some more, I guess. The dashboard was cycling. When I brought it to him, it would just go. These lights would kind of go like this, on, off, and just keep cycling through, and the gas gauge would go from full to empty and just kind of keep cycling. So that is now fixed. They went and redid all the wiring like it should be as far as we know. They finally realized that the battery that I had in it was testing pretty low. Even though it would start the tractor, it was testing low, and the dashboard. So I took it back, put a new battery in it, and it the first day it didn't do any different. It still was cycling. But then I came out here yesterday and started it up, and I was just going to run it and didn't really look at the dash till I came back and looked at it, and sure enough, it was acting normal. So, so we have that issue figured out, and that's why they thought maybe it was a wiring issue. But the wiring issue is now taken care of, and they also did run it separate from the wiring and just had it run by itself, and it still ran the same. So anyway, bottom line is I need to run it some more, but if anybody can give me ideas on what is going on with this engine, that'd be great. They tested it, they said everything tests fine. Compression, all that stuff, they tested it. Tested out fine. So just a quick vid here. Appreciate you watching. Appreciate any comments you might have about this engine. Again, it's brand new. So let me know. Thanks for watching. Thanks for any comments you have. Have a good one.